Hello everybody. In today's episode, we're going to be going over how to delete resources. And this includes, network security groups, virtual networks, virtual machines, storage accounts, resource groups, and much more. So the reason we're doing this video is, it might seem pretty simple. Oh, you just delete the resource, but it's actually not that simple because if I go ahead into my subnet here, into my virtual network, and if I hit delete, I actually can't. It fails every time. So there's a process that you have to go to delete things. The first thing you need to delete are virtual machines. I don't have one up right now, but you would delete one here first. By the way, you would turn it off first and then delete it. Then you would go under virtual networks, and you can't delete this right away because for some reason when you delete the virtual machine, the NIC, the network interface card, does not get deleted with it. So you actually have to go back into the network interfaces and see now these are the old network interfaces of all my virtual machines that I've been using in labs. So these are tied to the subnets in the virtual network. So now I can't delete the virtual networks because these are associated with it. So now we have to go ahead and delete all of our virtual interfaces. And I think we have to do them one by one. Now we can go back into virtual networks. We'll try to delete it and see if we get an error message now. And it looks like they're going to delete without any issues. Once our virtual networks are deleted, then we can go ahead and delete the network security groups. Once these are deleted, we can go ahead and check the SSH keys. So we have a lot of SSH keys here for virtual machines that don't exist anymore. So we don't need these anymore. Now we can go to our resource groups. With resource groups, you gotta copy the name because it's gonna ask for it when you delete it. I hope this video has been informative, and I hope that I've helped you out with any concerns or questions that you might have had before you came to this video. And I'll see you on the next video.